Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Topper's Word, and let's learn some new words related to weather. You can use these words in speaking as well as in writing. And the first word is or phrase is boiling hot. It is an expression to describe a very hot weather. The last summer was boiling hot. The average temperature reached 40 degrees. I cannot go out as it is boiling hot outside. The next is mild. Mild means warm and pleasant. The weather in my country is mild in spring. Chilly. Chilly means cold. It's chilly today, so I think you should wear a coat. Freezing cold. Freezing cold means extremely cold. I wanted to go ice skating on New Year, but it was freezing cold and I decided to stay home. The next is degree Celsius. This is very common. It is used to measure the temperature, like as kilograms, liters. They are the units of measurement of temperature. In the autumn, the average temperature here is 50 degrees Celsius. To go below zero, it means to become negative or very cold. The temperature often goes below zero in the winter. Next, we have some expressions related to cloudy weather, and the first word is gloomy. Weather with dark clouds and dull light. It's a little bit something like sad. So weather with dark clouds and dull light. Personally, I don't like gloomy weather. It makes me feel depressed. Clear. Clear means no clouds in the sky, without clouds. I adore clear weather when there are no clouds on the sky. To clear up means when clouds and rain disappear. After a long rain, it finally cleared up. Next expressions are about rainy weather. To be drenched. To be drenched to the skin. It means to be completely soaked with water. Completely wet with water. I forgot to take an umbrella and was drenched in the rain. Gentle rain means light rain. Drizzle means a light rain that falls in very small drops. It often drizzles in the morning. In our Hindi language, we call it boonda bandi. Downpour means heavy rain. Musladhar barish or heavy rain, a heavy fall of rain. What a downpour! We are drenched to the skin. Downpour is also called as raining like cats and dogs. It rains like cats and dogs. To pour down means to rain heavily. Same. Humid, containing a high amount of water. When it is hot, atmosphere is hot and some moist content is there, then we say that it's humid. It happens usually in month of July, when it rains and after that sun appears and it becomes very hot. In my country, the climate is generally cold and humid, especially in the north. Snow weather. Snow covered means covered with snow. In the winter, my family and I go skiing to the snow covered hills of Switzerland. I like the snow covered hills of Jammu and Kashmir. Heavy snow means when a lot of snow falls. Yesterday there was a heavy snow in the hills of Himachal Pradesh. Children went to school in spite of heavy snow. Frosty means cold. Continental climate implies hot summers and frosty winters. Continental climate means in continental areas there are hot summers and frosty winters. In Punjab we have hot summers and frosty winters. Snowstorm. large amounts of wind and snow. When there is a storm with snow, this is called snowstorm. I don't like winters because of frequent snowstorms. Snowstorms usually appear in hilly areas. Hail. When small balls of ice, hailstones, fall from the sky. After the hail, we found hailstones that were the size of golf balls. Hailstones, in Punjabi we call them gade, and I don't know what we call them in Hindi, maybe ole, and it usually small balls of ice fall with rain. That is called hail or hailstones. Windy weather. High wind means strong wind. In the autumn, strong winds are quite frequent. Breeze means slow, gentle wind. This usually blow in morning or in the evening time. I don't usually like windy weather, but a light breeze from the ocean makes me happy. Wind chill factor. When the wind makes the air feel colder than the real temperature. In my hometown, it's very windy in the winter, and though the temperature rarely goes below zero, with the wind chill factor, it feels like -10. Now, vocabulary related to sunny weather. Sunshine. We have lots of sunshine in summers. Sunshine means heat and light of the sun. Dry means no rain. Many parts of the world, like especially in Africa, there is a dry season every year. Summers in Turkey are often hot and dry. Heat stroke, sunstroke. In Hindi or Punjabi we call it loo lagna. A serious heat illness because of being too long in hot weather. When you remain for a long time in hot weather, then one can suffer from heat stroke. It's a kind of feeling of dizziness. It's often boiling hot in my city in the summers, and a lot of people suffer from heat stroke. Other miscellaneous vocabulary related to weather. A spell of good weather. It means a period of good weather. After 3-day spell of rainy weather, there was a spell of sunny weather. Changeable weather. Weather that often changes means unpredictable. In my country, the weather is very changeable. Periods of hot weather can be followed by heavy rains or even snowstorms. Mild climate. A climate without extreme weather conditions mean average normal climate, neither too hot nor too cold. Smog. Smog means a cloud of pollution, a mixture of smoke and fog. My town is so polluted that I don't see stars at night because of thick smog. Forecast means predict, a prediction of how the weather will change. Although the forecasts predicted a mild weather, the January was freezing cold. Today I checked the weather forecast. It says that tomorrow it will rain heavily. So these are the words related to weather. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching it.